Hey, it's Ryan, Combat Off-Road, back in the driveway. We're gonna do an unboxing video on our exciting full metal jacket doors. This will be for the JT, so 2020 and up. JT Gladiator, 35-1036. So really excited to unbox this and show you what we got. These are probably the sickest doors on the market by far. So stay tuned. Action. Unboxing time. So here we are, unbox time. We got 35-1036. That's going to be the front door for the JT. So let's do this. All right, so you're going to find our stuff aggressively packed with foam so it gets to you without an issue. I'm just going to get that out of the way. So we're going to have one door here. I'm going to have to work on everything. So I'll move this out of the way. Slide this over. So let's take the door out of the bag and see what it looks like. I'm crazy on the tape on this side. All right, perfect. Okay, so that's what you get. Pretty much a complete door right out of the box. So you're gonna have, this is the JT, so you're gonna have the hinges that are OEM style hinges. You're gonna have our logo, which is removable for theme painting, or you can leave it black. You're gonna have your door release right there. And you're gonna have your pre-drilled holes for soft uppers, like rugged ridge or best top, like the two-piece half door stuff. You just drop those guys on. And this is to locate the mirror. I'll show you the mirror in a second. Yeah, and the cool thing about us, so you have a nice interior panel. So you got some storage space here. You got an interior door handle, so you can open and close the door from either side, inside or outside. All our hardware is all black coated stainless steel. It's a nice cable driven latch. We got bump stop pads in the bottom to hold it from rattling. And we also have some bump stop pads by the latch. So it's a nice door. There's lots of profile here for your arm, you know, as an armrest. We contoured everything along this line to actually match the body lines, so everything fits nice. So you're just going to want to adjust those when you fit the vehicle. That's not really a big deal. So this box is going to have your handles. I can open that up. So that's going to be your interior handle. So that's going to go right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. So you can close the door from the inside. And we'll see what we got here. Left mirror. Actually, I might need a little knife real quick. that's going to be your mirror. That's actually going to be the other side of the mirror, but still, that's the idea. So mirrors there. This will be your mirror mounting hardware in there as well, along with the handles and everything. And a couple stickers. And some more foam and another mirror and another door. And that's what you get. So you have the handles. Hinges are ready to go. You just got to adjust them. So everything's pretty close to assembled. You're just going to throw your mirror on. And you're going to fit them in. And that's what you get in the box. What do you think of those guys? Pretty neat.